The House Prosecution Panel for the impeachment trial of the Vice President submitted its reply to the pleading filed by the latter's legal team seeking for outright dismissal over procedural error. It has become increasingly clear to them that the Vice President with her retinue of 16 high-priced lawyers dreads appearing in court and standing trial with the evidence the panel hasn't heard. Armela Las Moras tells us more.
Shortly after 1:30 in the afternoon today, the Senate Impeachment Court formally received the reply of the House Prosecution Panel to Vice President Sara Duterte's answer ad coetelam. A copy of the said response was likewise provided to VP Sara Scamp. In their reply, the prosecution primarily prayed for the impeachment court to proceed with the trial and reject the Vice President's bid to dismiss the impeachment case against her. They have stated the answer ad coetelam of VP Sara Scamp allegedly relied on misleading claims and baseless procedural objections. They even said it seems that the only legal strategy of the defense is to have the case dismissed and avoid trial. That's why they insisted the Filipinos deserve to know the truth. In a press conference, House Prosecution Panel spokesperson Attorney Antonio Bucoy said,
misconceptions, falsehoods, and general denial. What's a general denial? Hindi ho niya sinagot yung mga factual allegations Sinabi lang niya, hindi totoo yan. Hindi niya itinanggi na malaking halaga ng confidential and intelligence funds ay nagasta sa napakaiksing panahon. Hindi niya itinanggi na yung mga liquidation documents. Sinabi namin, fake ito, fictitious yung taong to. Hindi niya in-address yun. Quiet. Sinabi lang niya hindi totoo. Among others, ngayon ho, sa batas, ang general denial is considered an admission.
Attorney Bucoy also had this remark regarding the earlier statement of the Vice President expressing her desire for a bloodbath in the impeachment trial.
Di ba sabi niya, gusto niya ng trial. She wants a bloodbath. Bubble bath Hindi bloodbath, bubble bath. Di ba?
Amid all of this, the prosecution remains hopeful that the process will continue to move forward and in the end, the Constitution will prevail.
Kami po ay nagtitiwala sa proseso. We trust the impeachment process. And we trust that the senators' judges will do or perform their constitutional duty and abide by their oath.
Mela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.